Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for online banking account on Nationwide Building Society. First, go to any browser on your desktop. On the search field, search for nationwide.co.uk. By doing this, you'll land onto the page of Nationwide Building Society. Now to register for it, all you have to do is go to the login option that is on the top right corner. And once the cursor hovers over the login tab, you can see various options available. In here, go to register for internet banking, then tap on it. By tapping on it, you will land onto an interface like this. Now while registering for online banking on Nationwide, you'll have to have your mobile handy. Now go to the choose account section and choose an account you want to register with. You can log in with your current account, saving accounts, credit card, personal loan, and mortgage. Once you have made a choice, you can scroll down and tap and continue in order to proceed. Now you'll be directed to another page where you have to fill up your personal information as well as your account information. Enter your current account details, then your personal details like your first name, last name, set your date of birth, then also enter your address. And if you scroll down, you'll have to enter your postcode also. Once you are done filling your information, you'll have to go to the important information section and read the documents from Nationwide. On this page, just go to continue and tap on it. Now go to terms and conditions and tap on it. In here you can see the terms and conditions set by the Nationwide Building Society. So scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on accept. Once done, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on continue in order to enter your contact details. Fill up the details and tap on continue in order to proceed. It may take up to 24 hours for your current account to appear. If you can't receive the codes, your details will be posted and they will usually arrive within 3 to 5 working days. So as said in the beginning, you will receive a text message as a part of registration process, so check you have signal before you begin. This will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.